Want to start earning online but don't know where to begin? Freelancing lets you offer your skills like writing, graphic design, video editing, social media, programming, data entry, virtual assistants, or online teaching. Use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, or People Per Hour to connect with clients around the world. Make your profile stand out with a professional photo, clear skills, past experience, and show reliability. Start with small jobs, get reviews, and build credibility. Keep learning new skills, watch tutorials, and practice regularly. Beginner-friendly tasks include data entry, virtual assistants, transcription, or simple design work. Manage your work by communicating clearly, meeting deadlines, and staying organized. As you gain experience, increase your rates, take bigger projects, expand your services, and even hire others. Focus on one platform, deliver quality work, use your phone or laptop wisely, and take advantage of free online resources. Freelancing allows you to earn money, gain experience, and build financial independence. Start small, stay consistent, keep learning, and check the ebook in the description for a step-by-step guide to start earning online today.